put flower for your papa grave, they put for your Igbo grave. Eh? You don't know your flower you didn't bo. You never put for your papa. Oh, now Igbo grave, they go to put flower, go to sleep for Igbo grave. Eh? No go go awagmon.
Carry wife.
Now carry wife will carry widow. They carry widow with filter. Carry widow. If you know say you fair, come on your filter for your face. Meanwhile, cause anytime they screw past your video, now filter me only they see there. Come on that filter for your face, may we see your real face. May we see your real face. Your real face we want to see Yore. This lazy set of people for this social media platform. What did it make me the shame for the sometimes? I know they look down. Just see all of them are Benin people. Very shameless people.
Because they don't want the Benin office spend 1 hour for for a
show like platform. Now they food there with her. I know they food there with her.
We know the year Benin. Unless in Aisha get with the year Benin where. This lazy set of people. Why do lazy? They don't do anything. Benin men and Benin women.
Good afternoon, Don Lagos. No, the thing is getting too much. These are Benin. These are Benin cyberspace people. They are just too lazy for my liking. They are too lazy. Here you go. No, they do anything. Social media don't make the lazy finish. You go there for live video 24 hours of the day. You go there for live video 24 hours of the day.
They don't see they donate for anana. They go all the day.
If you want to go all the day, somebody they call donate for it. I know they work, you know they do anything. Our stupid, gullible people. Go somebody they call donate for it, you want to go all the day. When we now, Jesus. No, you the age don't pass age when they walk. You the age don't pass age when they walk.
No work, no Africa shop, nothing, no business, nothing where they make you the hand money.
Eh?
No, you all believe on people.
Every day, these Benin speaking people they bring shame for us every day by day for this social media. They bring shame and disgrace for us. I will you go, I will so. I will me where I they go work. Not by why I like more school they know for. Et donc plus on essaie de gérer le pas. Hein? On essaie de gérer le pas.
Donc ouais ton plus il est moi school ya.
Mais moi on essaie na vieux school mais hein? Waiting me I want know when you already to sleep. I deserve to know when you already to sleep. That is my concern. When you already to sleep, I want to know. I deserve to know. Because it was say me know they sit on for live video around 4, around 30 now for no answer this kind of question. When he take the sleep, when he don't take the sleep, 6 o'clock he don't do live video. Now 5 now so. How many hours be that first? When you do your first do this morning, and he go do until the next 4 o'clock in the morning. They can hear here.
We shall call him here. They go to the live video.
This woman now you go carry person when no they do saga, when no they do anything. He carry a picture, they call the police. The woman not that one a day for TikTok. Huawei saga, you know the joke now they fool on herself. Eh? You know the joke now they do saga for TikTok. You carry woman picture now, you go hang the picture. I don't understand. If you want to advise woman, you don't go look for your WhatsApp number. You don't know go be ya down wa fian go wagbon. If na advise you want advise that woman, why you no look for your WhatsApp number? You don't know fian go wagbon. If no be disgrace and shame want enter your body. If you do one like we bone yan wagbon fo, yan your sister. Ke no tin yan ke yan ga na tin sister. Now Benin women now say they go enter Europe. The one make their senior brother they call their sister. Now Benin women enter for Siam. Now Benin women go enter Europe and their senior brother they go one make they call their sister. Now our Benin sister and I'm for Siam for this Europe. If you not go let their senior brother call their name again. Now sister don't call them. You say you want to advise that woman first man too much your body. Why you not answer your WhatsApp?
President, I get question, President. The question when I get is me no say as a presenter, you know, the fit get up leave phone because me know say that woman not they get up leave phone when he take the wash boyoyo because till sometimes at 5 o'clock in the morning, she never end the live video. Then that very time when she did they did that camera so president, me no say if you do on camera, if you be presenter for this TikTok, you know they too get time for yourself if you do on that live video till you end them. I don't know if you understand president, but that time so does that mean that
na big work?
Now heavy work now president now.
You know they fit do anything. If you want to be presenter come out, the viewers go to come out.
Yes, the viewers go reduce. That means to say you stay for there for 9 hours.
Like me now, may I come out for here now for 10 minutes. You see all this people will come out because I'm not there again. If I come out now 10 minutes, you see only you know this 100 viewers are coming for here. You understand me so?
And that one they want to how they cut the bath, how they take the bath, wash their body.
Me no. Now me they ask now whether you. My question to you, then you know the see period, you know the change part. You don't know the see period. You know they eat, you know they cook. Now wait till me want answer woman. When they carry fit at the cover face when they toss in and find woman. If they carry fit at the cover face.
Right for live video, you go suffer put her on that table, go the pretend the collector.
Okay, now that table for the eat you. So you know they eat like dog, now they eat like dog, they eat on top of table like dog.
On that table, go suffer, you know they pretend the collector. So yeah, she take it.
Okay, you just say that advice one advice woman. You don't hang the picture already. Me you know say na screw now you dey screw see that woman. Now you go hang that picture.
Nah.
No better for you. See your life and your think account. See like this one, like this your these village people, lazy Benin people like be this. As you dey see there, so lazy Benin people, very lazy Benin people. Who are lazy people, una too over lazy for my liking. Lazy Benin people. Now una be. Muna go walk.
We normally lazy. Why you want to talk? You go better.
Obey your camera. Make them see your face. Obey your camera. Obey your camera. Get out of here. Ogun bijijou. Lazy Benin may not see the total liquor. Baby, my strength to expire. I go lick your toto, may you help me pay my strength. Baby, I go suck your toto, and my strength to expire, my landlord no go pursue me for us. Now, Benin made it one. Now, Benin made the tell women say, I go suck your toto, may you help me pay my strength. Now, Benin made it do that.
Now, the clay traditional man pass.
Now, yes, now the clay traditional man pass on TikTok, and they delete toto for back. Traditional men for TikTok, they will lazy for back. Baby, help me pay my strength to expire. Go on your live video, one soon. Baby, I go lick your toto, my nepa be.com. One soon, lazy man. Baby, I go lick your toto, my nepa be.com. My landlady, you drop nepa be for Kishi, I meet her for Kishi. Useless set of people. Soon I laugh. One soon, bon. Lazy man. See the for this social media, like the lazy person here, your boy, Benin men when they send their wife road work because of no one they talk. Now Benin men they send their wife road work. Benin men. Toto when they fuck, they don't cherish Toto when they fuck. Benin men no they cherish Toto when they fuck. Now Benin men they send their more call they talk everything. Now Benin men they send their wife road work. Who are soon walk beluwa. That's why they fall they die every day by day for this Europe. Go see now on a die pass of Europe and don't they send woman road work. Who are who they help woman the whole picky they send a road work. No una they do no be una. Lazy people. It to say mama Lord not there for Germany. We are no get for Senna. I no get for Senna and Shawona. It to say na Italy. Now mama Lord are there. You no get for that Senna and Shawo for that Senna road work.
That one are true.
And Germany when they did, I saved that one. It to say na Italy. Now you no get mama Lord are there. You no get for that Senna road work. That is the truth. You no get for that Senna road work.
I be the thing say na marry.
If you marry any Benin man, no one marry. Pursue come up for us. If you don't come out, call police on call police on or you use bottle to enjoy yourself. Make police come see blood. No regan. If you don't come on, carry bottle to choke yourself. Make police come here, go prison. Lazy set of people. Now Benin man, they carry woman, they go family meeting because you not give her to. You know they work with the fair toto, no fear who agbon. You know they work with the fair toto. No be man when they work supposed to they fuck. Not be man when they work supposed to the fuck. How you know they work, you want they fuck. Why fian who? You know they work, you prick the race. You know they work, you prick the race. Why you know they work, you prick with the race? Your priest supposed to die, follow you. Your priest supposed to lazy like you. As you know if you work, say you lazy. Your priest supposed to see lazy. You not go lazy, make your priest day active. Soon wagbon. No, you know you lazy to work, but your priest day active. Are you lazy? Your priest supposed to see lazy. Yes.
Today na Benin Saga. People talk.
No. Here I'm going to tell the truth. We will tell the truth. This Benin presenter for TikTok, they know they work. I will say the truth. Me now, if I don't work, I'll still go short. Here I said they never get one what they do. Oh, me killing one. Eh, look in Corona. Only say question now. You know they reach to another question they give the people. Et no qui n'a to call the carry dance at the corner côté de mais they give them in for them see la lobo. What's kind of man they live that kind of life? What's kind of man they live that kind of life?
The Rupa people na they say one man na go for one trap na.
Now you know say they go they look cash now they will fall for trap now. They go they look cash. Very useless set of people. These Benin speaking people, very lazy people. Eh? How can a woman like you go there for live video 24 hours of the day? You say you want see when you do take for live video, you call the talk what you not supposed to talk. No, you don't say
President, if that one want open live video now 48 hours, now they open.
Okay, you don't say you want to advise that woman. Why you don't find WhatsApp number? You go fit us say if they find out my WhatsApp number, you know CVC WhatsApp number.
It's happy as you don't make sure.
But he carried the woman picture, he can't account for his word when he take care view. No. He say na advise the woman. A useless woman like Iyore. I don't see no Iyore also call the body shame people. Iyore when you all fool your body, Iyore. Eh? When you all fool your body, oh, Titoro carry chanter con. Eh? You don't know that cause carry picture come out the body shame. When say you carry fit a cover face. Oh, we waru we be. Eh? Now you there now no husband, nothing. Who we ware wa ni kan. Na TikTok na come make you sustain. Dete TikTok you agbegbe wa ne. If not be TikTok, you for don't kill yourself. Na TikTok na dey save another dey there 24 hours. If not be TikTok, you for don't depress. No be say me they make mad. Now what you dey take the sustain be that. And now still the TikTok you no give city the sustain. Now TikTok be their life support. TikTok. Now be their life support. Now TikTok now be their life support. You not girl they give her water. You not get boyfriend. You not get husband. Only you take for his ass. So now that TikTok it the key depression. Eh? That TikTok now the key depression. Say you want advice person, you go carry a picture. You go anchor, you say na advice. When you say you feel fine, you WhatsApp number say my sister, I get what I want to tell you, may not vex you, but you carry a picture come out. You carry a picture come out. And you know you there for life, you carry fit and cover face, fit and full on your face. Then they look you there, say you know. Now fit and what people they use. Now this woman see they use. Or Miss Okmaka. Now the fit of Maka see they use. Now you still they use so. A fit and wayalo. No any of them they see una face or this TikTok. Una don't old. Wayak your man. If you don't say it's short for you, maybe you go stay beneath where that woman take the beneath. Whether you feel survivor. If you go stay beneath where that woman take stay beneath. Whether you feel survivor. Whether you feel survivor, you go stay beneath. Maybe you know where you go be by now. What is for yourself because they get social media platform, then they feel they talk, they'll just carry one call they bully people. Me now come for me they come for. I never felt come for person for this talk once. Now come for me, I they come for. If you come for me, I come for you. Now what me they do? That woman day, you know they doing your things. You say you want advice and go carry a picture and give picture for social media. That is bullying. Don't not be advice. You they bully the woman. You they bully the woman. Why now? I so or see na you work because I don't get anything that they do. Why winner this the Benin Sapa people know they work. Yes, now the truth. Una lazy. Muna go check una say muna tell me how many of una they work. Muna go tell me how many of una they work. Why you go? Why always so? You people are only on social media always. Una take social media always. Una not get what una they do. Una lazy. See, if I say I dey lie today, I go screenshot Yore for midnight today if I dey come for work. I go screenshot and post. Una see when Yore sit there for live video. Now I don't know tell you say that Yore not dey normal. Yore not dey normal. Not dey he die senses. Since 8 o'clock now, 8 o'clock till 5 o'clock. Now how many hours be that? Fellow Nigeria. 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock till 5 o'clock. Now how many hours be that? And you know what come out there today? Oh? You know what come out to? You go see your 6 go knock at this, 7 go knock, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now so you go do until they break. The next morning again go start. It will say you're there for Benin, you're fit buy subscription. Or you take the subscription. Or you take the subscription. Or your vacation in the form of borrow money. Who want to donate money for that? If you already go vacation and they donate money, you give her. I go take work, I go take do anything. Now if you want this view there you go there. So you don't get what they do. You carry fit and cover face, they body shame other person, and a fit and then you they use. Why you go to use fit and they body shame person? Say you want advice person, you don't carry WhatsApp number me, you call me, you advice and you don't soon well then we don't want. Depression people, see depression man no lie on depression they worry most of our women for this Europe 90% of them live with depression. Oh yeah, can't tell me say Lady Juliet not depressed. Can't tell me say Lady Juliet not depressed. Come and tell me say Lady Juliet is not depressed. Come follow me out and say Lady Juliet not depressed. Lady Juliet when go, if they would call person out when even near her. That Lady Juliet when they stay for small bush for night. Can't tell me say that one not they depressed. Can't tell me say Lady Juliet not they depressed. Who will feel out and say Lady Juliet not they depressed? You feel tell me say Juliet not they depressed? I agree to my brother. You want to tell me now say Juliet not they depressed? All these women you're depressed for his ass. They are depressed. They found the one put for their body. Good evening. They found the one put their depression for your body. This my Benin women people. These S are shower people. S are shower. Iyore S are shower. Juliet S are shower.
Presido, you know the same time when Juliet they use.
You na abawowo they use abawowo. You na abawowo.
If they use something they put what do they call eyelashes?
See Juliet S Ashawo. See Iyore S Ashawo. You dey disturb on the TikTok. Depression women. Okay. See Juliet and Bini. See Iyore. See, you get many people whenever offend you, I never want to mention their name. It will say they don't offend me, I for mention the entire for you, my brother. You for say sorrow than a Bini. See Iyore. See Lady Juliet. See Don Priest. See Enogie. Many are there that are supposed to call, just that they never look for me. They are all Bini people committing nuisance. Committing nuisance. Lady Juliet go dey do live video. He come here at 24 hours na bush they look. Oh me. Person go dey do live video na video for the do live video carry camera face bush. Oh me. Eh, Julie when go carry Igbo when they live for bush. Eh, man. We on the stay now 2 hours now. Now boss stay the come there. Eh, man. Now everyone wanna go boss stay the corner city. Eh, man. Many of them are living in bush. Go check out your Igbo and Wabeni for marry. No one can work. No one can what they do. Now Glory Kishin want talk. Glory Kishin will go marry Abriba Taylor. Glory Kishin Abriba Taylor. That one marry Abriba Taylor. Glory Kishin husband are Taylor. Mario Igbo will not get support or their if their brother come Europe or Igbo will see where fees they made them for work. Eh? Oh, Glory Kishin look at them. There are many disgraceful Benin women on this social media platform. As old as Glory Kishin.
You both don't enter pension. Glory Kishin still dey work.
Yeah. As old as Glory Kishin, and that Glory Kishin still dey follow through the drag TikTok. May you look how frustrated they dey. May you see how frustrated they dey.
The cleaner.
That one na asket dey stay o. Asket on you have a wow do asket. Okay, look at Boko now. See Boko.
Because that's a way Padova. Because that's a village.
Boko now don't turn to Solomon Garden. Boko don't turn to Solomon Garden. Boko has faded away. Where Boko today again now? These old barbarian people, they are disturbing everywhere. Aguiya Guabayas one so a failed mother. Ashawo, convict, all of them. Saying one advise the woman, distress man too much of your body. You don't find WhatsApp number, make you call her. Carry a picture, come out for TikTok, call the bully her. You say na advice. No fear who wagbon. No soon who. Enye, you're the enye. People, you they do their own, they go, they don't go near una. Say because una pay for TikTok. You the red one, you go in a guan do what to our social media. Fear not delay our brothers and sisters when they bring the talk again. Because of so they do social media, on get man to take bully them. If you don't have a guan, fear not delay they talk again because of una. Musician want talk now, fear not delay they talk. These people when they Europe, don't hold those people. They don't hold them for neck.
I think that's not even now. We have to. Not for banana men or huh?
Google.
I went back one
a depression warrior only a depression. Oh no, yare nati. Na nati de o nato na ide o. E nato je. Ko me ninu wa mi odo yi. No wa mu fitarwa odo ni. Odo the carry fit at the cover face. Oh shameless people. Na nati they still that useless woman so that old wish. Say you want advice person, you go post person for your war. You say na advice, you want advice, you don't find your WhatsApp number. So the oppressed is because they don't get much to talk to una. No, as you dey now, you dey condition now. Now you dey sort to the body shape person. When you dey veje, or vie no vu you dey gbe. Now you dey sort to the body shape person. Wo vie no wa vu you dey gbe tatanta. You dey sort to the body shape anybody. You don't know how to body shape anybody. Do I want to fool your body? You want the body shape person when we say no ru egbe von ye kwa. Nonsense people. Lazy set of people. All their own made they break, made they want to talk. All their own made they break, made they want to talk. All their own made they break, made they want to talk. Chooseless lady like that. Carry fit a cover face. They talk say other person not fair. Be like all our brother now when they use this their app, take the yellow for phone. They say tampolo maki like yellow. But una na fit and take the yellow for phone. If person see me for phone, that as I be for phone, as I be for another ground. Una carry fit a cover face soon as you compare tampolo maki like yellow. When that's not an ugly pass. Oma Lord, I went there now. The fit I went go use for your body. Now go see use a picky body. I will move fit out with more. Emo aba nya. I will move fit out with more. Emo do aba nya. Very soon as some of them go use bleaching cream for picking. Now go use bleaching cream for picking because now why impress for TikTok. Now why impress luckiness. Very soon now go bleach on children.
That they use that. Now that one starts.
Now why impress luckiness on TikTok? Yore no ro mo fita gwa o to go do we. Yore we mo fita ya ore. Yore me challenge you to come on fita for your face. Muna go tell Yore muna write for the comment section. I challenge Yore to come on fita for Yore face. Mo we see wait is something cover. Mo we see wait is something cover. Because all of them are fit, all of them are called the use. If it are wayalo, so you want advice, place, you know, if you copies for WhatsApp, advice, you can't call social media, call disgrace for social media. You say na advice. You say na advice. Can't call social media, call humiliator. You say na advice with the advice. You are the woman, not the do saga. If now you be say you are the woman, they do saga. Now if you body shame like that, and nobody go ask you. You are that woman, not the do saga. The woman, not the do saga. What concern the woman? Because now I get internet when I tell the talk. Now I feel body shape person. People go see the support now. Eh? Akota we say bana not by if you are at any other you nisan. Unsa ya request with TikTok.
Hello, Domo Oga Luckiness.
Domo sir.
Domo. What talk be?
I greet you, bros.
I greet you, Baba. We seeing I know you so on fire injury based on a video now who can woman in bros and the thing touch me because that woman our Benin sister. I don't know whether they feel me, bros.
My brother, all these are people where they is about places where they tell you oppress our people back home may not be small. Oppression in Nigeria,
you feel
why give you that one?
Me. You don't understand, bros. Okay, see which day now. That one still say ego go a bit dress. And the worst part, all those people where they talk to all those people, so they know they go their show, they know they buy tickets, they know they spray for all those people. But they go they cause them. If all those one call retaliate now, they'll say why you finish? You ain't your bonima. Okay, should be the serious of our social media people say they be evil people. It's not clear, bros. It's not clear, bros. As you I will just enter say my man join you because you just fuck up, bros. And you fuck do you not find you in trouble one day? You know?
Edo, if you the same one advise a woman, you don't fit find that woman WhatsApp number.
Sharp, yes now, she go fit do one, but Ben say na I need traits where they worry and I make she go do all those nonsense.
And this one, if you see you for that live donate, you dey do fitter. The fitter mugwa we fitter.
We are get one way no lo natural.
These people, they don't owe our, because of social media, they don't owe our brothers and sisters back home, they don't owe their neck. Because they get social media to talk, they don't owe their neck. When give them good evening,
let me say they get anything where they do for them. Yeah, go why you finish, why you jiku, why you want to know, like say now they sponsor them, now they feed them. No, you don't know collect for this season. Shall we have to know where they sing? You never even talk about your life.
See,
you never even talk about your life. You go to talk about another person. Okay. God bless you, bros. Am I Tony? You go to talk to innocent woman where not do you one, not find you trouble, you not even find you one day.
I know this our
depression warrior again.
My brother. Oh my brother, if you believe people know this about space now, he ain't winner.
For we but he ain't my way winner. He ain't winner. They are going la vidéo. So we pas con. Et so we coué.
La
vidéo en talent ni.
Ti mani vient to TikTok na no winner. Name them. You dey see them early money. You dey winner.
Yes na. Et so I can deceive bien. Every camera where they work. I don't feel contribute. I dey work. Oh no, wow. You dey work now. You climb up.
So you want advice person, you go post a picture. You post a picture with me and you go on. When on want to go on, il joue noir. Oh, no video de be
Okay. God bless you, bro. God bless you.
Il joue les motos. Et ouais boyfriend, et moi on a give ça même moi. Nothing. Il y a des prix à n'a supposed to say
Amen ni a
il y a des prix à n'a supposed to say no, you don't be like that.
Bros Lucky. Ga deceive gbima. Ijore give na nane bros. Wa ga deceive gbima. Ave me baga no neru ne we eye na kefo wa abie any wa deceive gbima bros.
Yes, so that
yeah wa deceive gbima.
Wisdom.
Osaro mute your side.
Okay.
Wa ga imwe gbima brother we na leru ne wo ye bie de bie no ne abie. On ne bovun egbe on aye mo open na we obie.
My brother, a woman in our life do 24 hours. A woman in the life do since 8 o'clock. Till now it's 9 hours. Or the life do for now 8 hours, 9 hours.
Bros, okpa no mu no de ina vi egbe ge na wa ya kinwi na re no de. Ina wa ri wa ya ho we na wa ri. Ina ya yori around 3 o'clock iwason. Could you believe me? You're around 3 o'clock. It's talking when I day on me.
Okay. When we talk just now, people. And when I go to me to okay, I get me yaki unari no there. I get me yaki unari me ye mi yori be live video.
Mamma mia. Owuni me ya mo ina wa do yo we wanna go lo wa so na because o ma ka te ebo ni ka te ebo ni big man 500. When I say yan ba da kin yan ke gui. Oni we TV e wo ga wi okay wi e kere o we rule la dian o mo la dian wi yan yen wo we o se on a je la video ya we in win money and net o ba je
that woman that they do for live do 24 hours. How honing we live do 24 hours.
We yan yen wi mi na wi yan yen wo we o se na TV
You carry woman when you dey you come at you humiliate wait to advise who advise iboni akon advise
enyon me mati se be TikTok oba akian we mi ugo egun we to advise no ba akian we mi ugo egun we to advise who be you how we when all the above fun egbe ne o ko no gbe ben
if you do you the platform you are men are born and if you do you
pardon mo any agbon fie ni na any oviedo e uta no be mujoro be mu any oviedo
okoro wa wo people when do movie for us they do dancing for us you carry a costume they call humiliate and you say they are advancing Iyore wo ko no ti ilu ga kian o we go ga na iyore. Since 8 o'clock you kere live video now hours or work by 5 o'clock in an hours. 6 o'clock 6 o'clock ibano ga 10 hours in you kere live video 10 hours. 10 hours on live video. 10 hours so ga 10 hours with live video in you kere live video 10 hours. Will be 10 hours. Once it's snack now, this is 20 minutes after 5. Once it's snack now, will be 10 hours when you do the live video. 10 hours, no kere wa ni sin. When you don't take there. Will be 10 hours when you don't take there this morning. It is useless set of type of people. Useless people, they don't work, no they do anything. And this boy that is committing this nuisance is the speaking Benin people. They are the one. Nuisance people. Yeah, we These Benin people that they do presenter for this TikTok. Now they don't work, they don't do anything. Yeah, we so. The answer one say why they don't feel deported for Germany, saying they carry children they go school. I don't know when to the carry children they go school, cut it on to occupation. Saying they carry children they go school. Oshami say president forgive who? Only they go suffer for my all they go suffer. Shebi you know you don't go block me now, more go kill her. Me not better for that. You don't go block me now. He go suffer. You know you go see my saga for dream. For dream, you know you go see my saga. Wa fiangu. They do saga, they block each other. Lazy people. Alone and I will son and wife, I shall say and all of them they die through one by one. Ijore never cause it body shapeless. Ijore. All of them don't talk to Solomon Garden. Now don't talk to Solomon Garden. See all of them today now. Woman, when you're there, you do your thing, carry a picture, call humiliate the woman. Like I say, now only you don't see that picture. Like I say, now only you don't see that picture. You carry the woman, come show me, come humiliate the woman. Like I say, now only you don't see the picture for there. These things getting too much. The oppression when I did for our Benin people back home is just too much. When they oppress those people too much with our social media. When they oppress those people too much on our social media, when they oppress them. Here to boy, you the way so wajo. Una know they go, una know they do anything. Person like Juliet, now Juliet say you know they go party, you know they go anywhere. But if it's fair for the do party, he go use man to spoil am. Juliet know they go party, but if it's fair for the do party, he go use man to spoil the party. That Juliet one I also see for them. So that one another wishes and wizard, another evil being again for Benin people. Now I see be that Juliet one they see for them. And you say you dey Europe now, you get money pass a go. I say go call you so you wear big cloth, go give and say, go. All this cloth you dey wear, so I know me they wear against. All the time when I break up for you, they wear now. But you're not there for you. Evil set of people. Now Benin women will call Europe, there's somebody that that they call their sister. Now Benin people want that for Sian. Once they don't call Europe, they are senior brother for Nigeria. You don't want to call their sister, they don't go send them money. Now, Benin women that they told their senior brother to small picking. They will call their senior brother will be their junior. He don't want to call and sister, na problem that one go enter for your hand. Where wa agbunu ye ni me? Wa agbunu ye ni me? Wa ono do anno me go. Wa agbunu ye ni me? Wa ono do anno me? He senior brother na he talk to so. He senior brother. Now, Benin girls go call you to tell their senior brother to junior. If their junior brother not call, their senior brother not call their sister, they don't send them money. Now, Benin women they do one. They turn their senior brother to the small kid for his side. All the name of the hero. Brother is sati many. Or son, why you agbe sati many? Via bokinu you agbe sati many. Now, Benin girls they do one. They turn their senior brother to errand boy. All these Benin women they see so. Now they do one. Their senior brother will turn out to errand boy. Only is a here. When get the pure town one there. Go waka, leg go call the pain and when go to the go site, go to the clear every day by day. Turn a senior brother to the junior one because on a day for abroad. Nonsense people. Oh, man, no worry do gather. Some are too much. Make who come go suffer. Make who confess. Make who fair come go know what they share with you now. Mais ils avaient boire pour les talking avec boire avec polo. Et boire avec polo. Oh yeah, see, I challenge 3 guests or 4 guests to send request. Call come on your feet for live video. Oh yeah, challenge. Oh yeah, Europe guests versus Benin. Good afternoon, Isabella. Europe guests versus Nigeria guests. Oh yeah, I dare 3 Europe guests to send request. Come on your camera, not profiter. Oh yeah. No one go agree come up. See, oh yeah, challenge. Oh yeah, I need 3 guests for Europe. Send your request. Come on your camera, no profiter. Oh yeah, challenge.
They hope you
don't fear no let them come. See, oh yeah, let 3 Europe guests send request. Come up camera. I'll let 3. So the way you want.
Why the echo had to come here?
Where is your WhatsApp here? See, oh yeah, me they give una challenge now. Me they give una challenge now. I made 3 Euro guests send request come up here without no filter. I want to see something. I want to check something. Me want to check something. All of our face, we don't bon like l'espèce signage. On a fait so bon like l'espèce signage. Eh? On a qui a send the request to the no say they are not natural. I challenge Chiri guys here now to send request with your face from Europe. Come and send request your face. Oh, to Rubeke, Shem go let the con. Na Nikki na wan kon Nikki. Na Nikki wan kon. Eh? I challenge 3 women for here for Europe to come on your